Hi, good evening, guys. I hope you guys are doing great. And so today was a Banknifty trade which I have taken, and market was extremely bearish today. And if you look at when the market opened today in the morning here at around 9:22, I was waiting for the markets to retrace actually because I was seeing the open interest at that point of time. Open interest was extremely bearish at that point of time. And also, if you look at my R3 and S3 here, can you see these orange lines at this point? The moment this S3 started breaking down, I was pretty confident to take a PE trade. And I was waiting for a retracement. Unfortunately, I could not able to get a great retracements. Okay. And in the meantime, before 10 o'clock, what happened was I generally don't trade before 9:30 to 9:35. Okay. In the markets, I keep waiting and I want the markets to settle and then I get into the trade. And I was waiting till 10, and unfortunately, by the time the clock uh, hit 10, uh, you see the percentage was almost 1.14%. Okay, the overall movement was almost 1.16%. That too before 10 o'clock. So my thumb rule always says that no, before 10 o'clock or before 11 o'clock, when the market falls by 1 to 1.5%, which means there is no more space further down to go in the index. So which means I was expecting a retracement. So I was expecting a strong reversal rather. So then I was looking for a reversal trade. At the same time, I was looking at Bank Nifty, and the my RSI has already hit 8-9% almost. So which means that clearly indicated that there is no place to go down. So I was expecting a reversal trade, and you see this my indicator as well, my RSI. Okay, these are all specialized customized indicators, which has been designed by me, and it hit almost like 46% also. So this RSI especially it came to around 8-9%. So normally it goes up to zero, it goes up to 1%, and on the top side, okay, it goes up to 99%. You see this 99% here? It went up yesterday. From there was no space to go up, and it went down all the way. Okay, so the same thing happened today. If you look at on the downside, it went up to 6-7%. Okay, from 6-7%, it went up to, and then there was no space, and I was expecting a reversal, which it did happen. So 51,800. Okay, that one zone, I was waiting because it is almost yesterday's S3. You see this? Yesterday's S3 was 51,815. Can you see this number? Yes. So this number will act as a support. So I was expecting that to happen. So it did happen when the price came in over here at 10:30. Then I was waiting for some sort of a reversals to happen. And I took a call option trade. I did buy a call, okay, and I shorted call, okay. I took a hedge as well. Generally, I don't do without hedges. Very, very rare cases, I take naked positions. So I was waiting for these reversals to happen. This is the first impulsive reversal, okay, I call it as. The immediate reversal, okay, it happened. Immediately I saw a weapon candle happening over here. In the meantime, I saw a crossover as well. So whenever the crossover happens with the weapon candles, okay, that is more trustworthy, and there is always a trap zone which tend to happen, which means the price would actually tend to come back to its old levels, which is a double bottom, and then from there the price will move to this levels. This is the level which I did take. If you look at 1204, okay, you see this my orders also. If you look at, I try to enter at around C 1204 levels. Yeah, yes, these are the levels which I try to enter, okay, and around 760 levels, 770 levels, and all the call options. So I could able to make some decent profit of around some 14K something. So that's the trade today, guys, and I could able to make a decent profits in Bank Nifty today. And Nifty, I took a small trades, but I was not comfortable because I could not able to see a drastic melt which was happening. Premiums were not melting in the put side, although the space was not there. The the melting was not happening. So hence, I exited my small positions over there in Nifty. So this is what was a Bank Nifty trade, guys, and if you have any doubts in terms of my indicators, especially to understand how it works, basically, see, you can keep in touch with me by mentioning the comment. Probably I can share my numbers as well, phone number, in the coming videos, so that you can contact me to understand the setup in much detail. Okay. Thank you, guys, and thank you for subscribing, and please do subscribe my channel if you have already subscribed. Thanks for that, and please do share and like my videos. We'll keep sharing my learning videos, and also my my customized indicators. You keep observing so that you will get to understand what is that I'm trying to do on a daily basis. Okay, so you could see on the last 4 days I've been doing consistently. We've been doing some profits. So it is not that every day the profits would happen. Some days some losses might also would tend to occur. Okay, so we need to take that, and but we should know when to take a trade and when to not to take a trade. So both the things are very important. So in that way, yesterday it was I decided not to take a trade, but today I decided to take a trade. Okay, so if you if you know if you start deciding that when to take a trade and not to take a trade, you will be in a profitable days most of the time, I would say, guys. Okay, so this is what so tomorrow, guys, I think is going to be again another volatile day, because I'm seeing US markets are in a positive territory as of now, and Bank Nifty is at no it's around some 36% RSI. So it might tend to some move down, and then probably in the second half, if at all there is some pullback again on the bullish side, I'll be interested to take some call side trades. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see how the open interest also going to play a role tomorrow. Okay, and then accordingly we will decide the trades. And Nifty is also looking a little more flattish for tomorrow, I would say. Okay, and because it's already RSI is at around 17%, Nifty, and this can also probably reverse, and it might hit to around RSI of at around 60-70% kind of a levels. Okay, so let's see, and wait for tomorrow, guys, and wishing you all good luck, and thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.